Alright, because I'm not in class with you today, I have this video for you so that you can complete your assignment. This will be a grade, and I'm going to work through the problems with you. And in order to get the credit for the grade, I need to make sure that you write down everything that I write down. So make sure you work out all the steps. If you want to do it on your own, and as long as you show your work, that's fine. But the work has to be shown, so you can't just circle an answer. So be sure that you show how you got each answer. So let's take a look at number 1. It says a triangular prism and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. What is the lateral surface area of the triangular prism in square centimeters? So first of all, I think the first thing that we need to recognize is that we're looking for the lateral surface area. And when we have our formula, pH plus 2b, the lateral surface area is just the pH. That's our LA. This whole thing is equal to our SA, which is our total surface area. So with that being said, all we need to do is just find our perimeter of our base, and that's what P stands for, and then the height. So keep in mind, and I'm just going to refresh your memory, P stands for the perimeter of the base, and then you have H is the height, and that's going to be the distance between the two bases. And then your big B is the area of the base. So keep those things in mind as you do all these problems, because all these problems that we're going to do today are going to be either volume or they're going to be surface area. So now that I know that, I want to go ahead and find my perimeter, and my perimeter is just going to be the side of a triangle plus the side of a triangle plus the side of the triangle. So let me go ahead and I'm going to highlight those to make them stand out. So here's my base right here, and I got side, side, side. I'm going to shade this in just a little bit. That's one base. That's my second base. And remember, I do expect you to shade in the bases before you attempt to answer these questions. Now notice this back side says it's 5, right? So that's the right side. In other words, this side of the triangle right here is also 5. I'll put the 5 right there. This side's 5 and this side's 6. So from my perimeter, I could say 5 plus 5 plus 6. The next thing I need to do is put my height. So I'm looking for that H. And the height is the distance between my two bases, which I've just shaded. And the distance between base to base is 8 centimeters. So that's times 8. And once I got that set up, that's all I need to do, because I'm only looking for the lateral surface area. So let's go ahead and put that into our calculator. Now on the calculator, you will notice that this calculator looks a little bit different. It is very similar to what we have, but I'm going to be using this one from now on, because I had to change the program that I had on my computer here because the trial was up on that one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put in our perimeter. Alright, we're going to put our parenthesis, and then we're going to go ahead and put in our measurements. We have 5 plus 5 plus 6. That's our 3 sides, and I'm going to go ahead and close my parenthesis. And then I'm going to put another parenthesis, and I'm going to go ahead and put my height, which is the distance between the two bases. Close my parenthesis, and then I'm just going to hit enter. And that gives me 128. So that's going to be our answer, is 128 centimeters squared. So let's go back and check our answer choices. So I'm going to go ahead and put this equals 128 centimeters squared. So our best answer choice and the correct one is G.